Hello everyone. I hope all of you are keeping up well with your family members. So today we are going to continue chapter number 4 itself, that is advanced features of word processor 2. We will start the chapter with our next topic, that is word art. So word art is a feature in MS Word which enhances the look and feel of your Word document so that it appears to be appealing to the audiences. Word art helps us to add the text in different styles in a document. The word art gallery includes various designs that you can use to create attractive looking text in your Word document. So now we are going to see what are the steps to insert Word art in our Word document. So let us focus. First of all, you are going to click on the insert tab. Okay, so click on the insert tab. Under the text group, you can see here word art. So click on this word art icon. Once you click on this word art, you can see the various designs has been displayed. So from here you can select any of the word art style. Okay, just select any of the word art style. Suppose let us take this one. Select it. Now once you have selected, you can see a box with the simple text, that is your text here has been displayed, right? So we need to replace this text with our text. So what is the message you want to give over here? Suppose since this is a bank, so we can add the text like follow COVID appropriate behavior. This message goes well with the picture of bank for the present situation, I hope. So let us take this text, follow COVID appropriate behavior. After that, just click on OK. Done. So you can see just above the picture, you can see the word art style which you have selected, follow COVID appropriate behavior. So this is how you can enable the feature of word art in your Word document so that the document can be more beautiful, more presentable and more attractive to the audiences and clients.